Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip, and here is Deep River, Connecticut, at Deep River Landing, uh, fairly early in the morning. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to call back to your teacher, think back to your teacher, maybe a particular teacher, maybe you just had one, maybe I say your teacher and you have to think about which one. You might like that to uh, refer to and practice. Engage in your practice, maybe the whole of your practice, warm up and form and cool down, or maybe just your form, whatever you like. But practice and invite in, express, play with the particular idiosyncrasies of your teacher. Not really your style, but your teacher as a human being, right? How did they used to scratch themselves? Maybe they said a certain thing whenever you got to a certain place that was kind of habitual or reminded you of where they were from, less about sort of their style or how to teach. Your teacher might have said, always turn the dantian or something, but that may not have been an idiosyncrasy of the teacher. That's just a particular detail about your style or your system or your lineage. So, there's certain places my teacher would scratch his butt, and kind of recalling that, hopefully fondly, how he would stretch, how he would clear his throat, certain phrases he might sort of mumble or faces he would make, at different times. Maybe in relation to my having made a mistake or somebody having asked a question yet again. I don't know. But it's kind of a fun way to kind of, my teacher is past the one I'm thinking of. And so kind of expressing, exhibiting, honoring, having a little fun with those idiosyncrasies really kind of brings them to life in a different way than just sort of a simple visual in my mind or even a story told or retold of him. But enjoy that. Idiosyncrasies may very well be the reason that people find their way to you and stick around. So let's not forget that. Thank you.